everyone, welcome back to my channel myself काफी शर्मा। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्या डिस्कस करने वाले हैं? आज के इस वीडियो में हम नेशनलिज्म एंड इंपीरियलिज्म डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि इस चैप्टर का लास्ट टॉपिक है। एज वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटेड द होल चैप्टर इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियोस। सो हमने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में हमने डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स डिस्कस किए, लाइक व्हाट वाज नेशनलिज्म, how French Revolution helped in creating the idea of nationalism, and also about the Napoleon Civil Code, unification of Italy and unification of Germany, and हमने देखा the strange case of Britain. Then later a female figure and allegory देखा, जिसमें Germania was used in Germany, and in France we have Marina. So this all we have discussed in our previous video. Now आज हम last topic discuss कर रहे हैं, that is nationalism and imperialism. Now what is nationalism? Nationalism is a feeling of oneness or common consciousness that develops when people share a common culture, history or political background. So nationalism हम कह सकते हैं a feeling towards a nation. ठीक है? Then we have imperialism. Now what is imperialism? Imperialism means when a person who is more powerful or a country which is more powerful wants to subjugate its power or wants to increase its power through colonization, or we can say that through your military power or any other means, then it is imperialism. So इस केस में, इस टॉपिक में हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि how nationalism leads to imperialism. तो nationalism कैसे imperialism बन जाता है? जैसे all nation states are formed, nation states डेवलप होने लगे थे, national movements हो रहे थे, हमने previous topics में डिस्कस किया था। अब इन movements की वजह से, national sentiments की वजह से all wants to increase its power, imperialism की feeling आना start हो गई। They want to increase its geographical territory area, want to be more powerful, that leads to imperialism. Here we have a topic or examples regarding to it, that is Balkans. Now what is Balkans? Okay, so Balkan is a geographical area that comes in your southeastern part of your Europe. So southeastern part का geographical area Balkans को कहते हैं, and Balkans are also called as Slavs. Okay, so Balkans were the region of geographical and ethnic variation. The southeastern part of your Europe is your Balkan area. That Balkan region has various cultures and diversities, and due to that diversities, everyone wants to be from a different nation states. So different geographical areas हैं, बहुत सारे states आते हैं Balkan region के अंदर, and each has their own culture, a different religion. Okay, so modern day Romania, तो Balkan region के अंदर different territories हैं, different geographical area है. That includes modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Macedonia, Croatia. So there are others are there, जैसे आपका Slavia region भी है. ठीक है, these all regions were there. So different regions are there in the Balkan region. But what happened? It was under the control of Ottoman Empire. That means the Balkan region is under the control of Ottoman Empire, and that Balkan region itself has many different territories in it, and the people of Balkans are called Slavs. Okay, so then Balkan regions were under the control of Ottoman Empire, and nationalist movements were there in 1871. तो 1871 में tensions emerge हो रहे थे Balkan के अंदर, because everyone wants to be united, independence होना चाहते थे from the Ottoman Empire. So this led to disintegration. Now Balkan region के अंदर nationalism की feeling emerge हुई. This lead to disintegration means separation. अब they want to be get separated from the Ottoman Empire and form their own nation state and want to be independent. The European subject nationalities broke away from its control and declared its independence. तो वो अपनी independence उन्होंने declare कर ली, and one by one सारे क्या हो गए स्टेट, क्या बन गए, नेशन स्टेट बन गए. They got independent. Okay, जैसे Romania, Bulgaria, Albania and different geographical territories got united, independent हो गए, and then Balkan states got jealous of each other and hoped to gain more territories. Now all the Balkan regions got united, had become the independent nation. अब वो क्या करना चाहते हैं? They wanted to increase the territory. अब जैसे बाल्कन के अंदर बहुत सारा रीजन है, अब रोमानिया will want to just control the Bulgaria area to increase its power, to increase its geographical territory, and so do Bulgaria and Albania. So everyone wants, every state wants to take over other states so that अपनी power increase कर ले and to increase the geographical area. So this led to another situation, as this all led to conflicts. Conflicts emerge हो रहे थे, tensions emerge हो रहे थे, and further to this, to complicate the situation, what happened? Big European powers rivalry came. Now what is rivalry? A competition. Big power के बीच में competition होने लग गया. क्यों होने लग गया? Who were the big powers? Big powers were the European powers, that was Prussia, Russia, you can say Germany, England and Austro-Hungary. So Russia, Germany, England and Austro-Hungary were the European powers. Now what they want? They want Balkan region. So जो Balkan regions different states में divided है and different states independent हो गए, and what independent states खुद भी चाहते थे कि हम दूसरों का एरिया कंट्रोल कर लें, and with the European powers also wanted to take over the Balkan region so that they became, so वो क्या बन जाए? A big power बन जाए और and to increase its geographical territory. This all led to series of wars. अब series of war 1912 में start हो गई. 1912 and 13 it was there in the Balkan region itself, and later it led to the First World War. So First World War happened in 1914. So 1914 में हमारी जो First World War हुई थी, it is due to increase its power. Everyone wants to increase their power, want to increase the geographical territory. This all leads to your intense conflict. ठीक है? तो आज हमने देखा कि नेशनलिज्म की वजह से इंपीरियलिज्म हुआ, and we have discussed the Balkan region. तो Balkan region के अंदर different territories थी, and they got united and wants to take over other territories, and further to this, the European powers came, and that European powers want to conquer the Balkan region. This led to the conflicts and the First World War. This whole situation की वजह से anti-nationalist movements होने लगे, लेकिन still the nationalism or national movement is being accepted by all the people and all the countries, and this example of Balkan region, or you can say the European region का जो example to World War हो गई, this was not repeated. With this we complete the topic and chapter 2. If there is any doubt regarding to this chapter, you can comment me down below, or you can contact me on my Telegram channel. The link will be on description below. Thank you for watching.